big burp. Just gas or red flags for gut. You take one sip of soda, and suddenly, burp! Congratulations, you just swallowed a fizzy air grenade. Soda, obvious culprit. Carbonated drinks are like bubbly traps. All that gas, it's not staying down for long. Totally normal unless it's happening all day, every day. But wait, salad burps? Here's where it gets weird. You're eating a salad, being all healthy, and still burp! That could mean you're swallowing air from fast eating, talking while chewing, even stress chewing gum. But if those burps stick around, it could be a gut bacteria imbalance or poor digestion throwing a party in your belly. So yeah, burps are funny, but they might also be your gut's way of whispering, hey, something's off. So listen in for what your body has to say.